In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get and enter new promo codes in Raid Shadow Legends. In order to do that, you first need to head over to portal.plarium.com and you can see the redeem option for the Raid Shadow Legends. You can enter it your player ID as well as your promo code, then click on confirm. Now, as you can see right here, you can redeem it directly into this site. If you have any new promo codes, like for example, let's type right here this enter your player ID that you can typically get once you click on your profile icon right here. When you click on this, you can copy your ID and just paste it right here. From there, click on the confirm option and it should be able to show if the code is valid, and if it's valid, you should be able to redeem it from here as well. So for the new promo codes, you can find them by searching for Raid Shadow Legends promo code for a specific month. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.